Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will create a pop-up using JavaScript. If you look at this example, we got a submit button. When you click on them, you will see a pop-up box with some content and a close button. If you click the close button, it will close the pop-up. We will be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to do this project, so it would be good if you understand the basics of them. Before starting this project, please like and subscribe to my channel Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time, so please stay tuned. Now let's get started. First, create an empty folder and open them in the code editor. My folder name is Create Popup and I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let me create three files over here: index.html, style.css and script.js. So right click, click new file and create index.html. Again right click, new file and create style.css. Again right click, new file and create script.js. Open index.html and add some HTML code. So I will press the exclamation mark and hit the tab key. In the title tag, I will write create popup. Then inside the body tag, I will add the h1 tag and write create popup. To check the preview, right click, click open with live server. It will then automatically open the tab for us with the result. Now let's import CSS and JavaScript in index.html. So just after the title tag, I will import CSS by using the link tag with sref attribute and path to style.css. Let me also add the comment custom CSS. Then to import the JavaScript, I will add comment at the end of the body tag and use script tag with src attribute and path to script.js. Now let's quickly test if our CSS and JavaScript is working fine or not. So open style.css and in the h1 selector, I will add red color. Check the preview and our heading now change to red. Let's also test the JavaScript. So open script.js. Here, I will add an alert method and write a string hello world. Check the preview and you should see an alert box with a message hello world. Great. Since both JavaScript and CSS are working fine, I will remove these test codes. Now let's import the Font Awesome CDN because we need to add Font Awesome icon in the future. So open a new tab and search Font Awesome CDN. Click the first link, then click Copy Link Tag. In your index.html, just after the title tag, add the comment Font Awesome CDN. Then paste the CDN link that you have copied. To quickly test them, open another tab, search Font Awesome 6 icons, open the first link, let's use this icon for example, so click on them, copy the HTML snippet and paste them after the h1 tag. Check the preview and now we should see the house icon. Finally, let's add Google Font. So open a new tab, search Google Font. Click the first link. You can choose any font you like, but for now, I will choose Roboto. Click Get Font. Get Embedded Code. Click Change Style. Turn off this toggle and select the font style you wish to add. I will just choose a regular font style for now. Then click Import. Copy this import code. Open style.css and paste them over here. To quickly test them, I will add the h1 selector and add font family, font size, and a color. Check the preview, and we can see Roboto font family has been applied. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on the HTML and CSS. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.